Hello everybody, Michael here. Welcome back to another episode of Programming Lessons with Scratch. So today we learned, we pretty much learned everything besides more blocks. So we're gonna make custom blocks today. And here we are in the wiki, custom blocks. And we can just read this. To create a custom block, open the More Blocks category and press the Make a Block button. A new block menu will open where you can name your custom block. By pressing Options, you can add string, number, and Boolean inputs. Now, string, like before, I told you, it's letters, numbers, or anything like that. Pretty much. Boolean, a Boolean is either true or false. You can also add more label text to the block or make it run without refresh. Wait, I gotta figure that out. I could just do that later. So, after naming and adding arguments, a define block is created. So, like over here, I'm gonna make a new one named jump. So, here's a custom block. What jump does is in here, so like forever and then blah 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 blah. If we add this jump, then the meaning of jump is in here. So whatever code, blocks define this, then it's pretty much without the jump. It's pretty much whatever define jump on here. So yeah. So over here, here's an example. So custom block settings can later be changed by right-clicking on the define block or the custom block itself and selecting edit. You can define what your custom block does by snapping a script to its define block, as shown below. So over here is a custom block. So the person who made this named it spin right amount variable amount degrees. So how we do that? I'm just gonna copy it. Spin right and string input amount degrees. Yeah, so it's basically saying this variable is set to 0. It doesn't know what it is, and it repeats that number of times. Turn 1 degree right. So if we want to figure out if you want to put like amount, like give amount a value, then you just have to put the value in here. So if we press OK, then it does that. Spin right 360 degrees. Yeah, just like that. And then you can always grab it. And yeah. I do not really know what load experimental extension does, or add an extension. Like load experimental. Oh, come on. Yeah. Reload this page. Like that's what happens whenever I click on it. And add an extension. I went here. What is going on? Add an extension. Oh, come on. Yes, add an extension. Add blocks that extend what you can do in Scratch. Add blocks that extend what you can do in Scratch. I don't really get it, but like if we choose one of these, I'm just gonna choose this. When button pressed, then blah blah blah. I'm not really gonna get it. I'm not really getting it. Well, if I do end up figuring it out, then I might teach you it. I'm gonna search the wiki. Add an extension. Extension Yes. Scratch extensions make it possible to connect Scratch projects with external hardware such as Lego, Redo, or Picoboard, or sources of information on the web. They add a collection of command and reporter blocks that can be used to interact with a particular device or data source. When an extension is enabled, its blocks appear in the More Blocks palette. Okay. Writing extensions. There are two mechanisms to attach Scratch to either blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm not really getting it that much. Sort of, not really. You can just you might understand once you read the wiki. Yeah. Makeup. Yeah. So that was a short video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and bye bye.